Okay, so now we are going to start, and we have finished the unit 2 today, and we are going to start with the some numericals, and you can practice more and more numericals as you can get. I will give you the some questions for the practice as well. So here we are going to start with the problem related to the potentiometer. So quickly we can revise what all formulas we have to use. We have to use a potential gradient formula. We have to use the compare the EMF of two cell. We have to remember the principle of potentiometer. We have to remember the internal resistance of the cell. So all these formulas we have to use in this particular or whatever numericals we are going to solve here. So first question says that in a potentiometer arrangement, a cell of EMF 1.20 volt gives a balance point at 30 centimeter length of the wire. What it says, one arrangement of potentiometer we have, okay, which have a cell of EMF, which have what is given in the circuit. I am writing the given first, okay. What is given in the circuit? If you will see here, they have given a one potentiometer which is having a EMF of, that is 1.20 volt. Okay, further I am reading, gives a balancing point at 30 centimeter length of the wire. This EMF is giving a balancing length, that is L1, that is 30 centimeter of a given potentiometer wire. This cell is now replaced by another cell of unknown EMF. Now the same cell is replaced by unknown EMF, okay. If the ratio of the EMFs of the two cell is 1.5, we don't know what is our E2. We don't know what is our E2, but they have given that the ratio of E1 and E2 is what they have given. They have given the ratio of the two cell is 1.5. The ratio of the two cell is 1.5. Calculate the difference in the balance length of the potentiometer wire in the two cases. What we have to calculate? We need to calculate the difference in the length. It means we have to calculate its L2. What will be its L2? And along with that, we need to calculate what is the difference between L1 and L2. So we need to calculate L1 minus L2. So these two things you need to calculate from the question. Okay. This we need to calculate. Understand? Simply, potentiometer we have. In that initially the battery of 1.2 volt we have, which gives a balancing length of 30 centimeter. Now we have replaced this battery with some unknown battery, that is E2. We don't know what is that battery, but that ratio of these two batteries is 1.5. We don't know what is L2. We have to find out the difference in L1 and L2. So we will start solving this. How we are going to solve this? Here we know from this is the problem. Clearly you can understand this is the problem from the compare the EMF of two cells. So we know E1 upon E2 is equals to what we have, L1 upon L2. If you will see that E1 upon E2 is what, beta? This is nothing but 1.5. What is my L1? L1 is 30, and what is my L2? This we don't know, that we have to find it out. So L2 I am transposing this side, so I am going to get 30 upon 1.5. So this how we can do? 30 upon 15 into 10 by 1. So what you are going to get? Obviously you, after cancelling this, you are going to get 20. After cancelling all this, you are going to get it 20 centimeter. This will be your L2. So I have found my L2, but I need to find out the difference in the length. So the difference in the length will be L1 minus L2. What is the L1? L1 is 30, L2 is 20. So the overall difference will be 10 centimeter. So this will be the answer for the given problem. Okay.